Nobody teach this in school. Hello everyone. Today we are going to compute the square of a number that ends with 5. So first of all, you can pause the video and try it yourself. Now I'm going to compute the square of 35. In order to start the question, first of all, I'm going to tell you the steps that you need to follow to find the square of a 35. So the first step is take the number before 5 that we have, then multiply that number with the next number, and you need to attach 25 at the end. Boom, that's all. We just get our answer. Now let's do this on our different examples. So we have 35 square and I'm going to take 3, and after that I will multiply 3 with 4. I'm going to get 12, and in the end I'm going to attach 25 with the 12. I will get 1225, and this is our answer. Now let's try another example. For example, we want to calculate the square of 85, and we are going to take 8. Then I will multiply 8 with 9. I will get 72. In the end, I will attach 25 with 72. I will get 7225. This is our answer. Okay, now you can try this question. We want to take the square of 65 and comment your answer. And also, if you like my video, please subscribe. And if you have any question, please write that question in the comment. Thank you.